How to make your products shine on Amazon. Amazon advertising can increase your sales by 30% in just 30 days. Top 5 FAQs answers with examples and advice. We will be discussing 1. How to set up your first Amazon advertising campaign. 2. What are the best strategies for Amazon-sponsored products? 3. How to optimize your Amazon-sponsored brands campaign. Or what are the benefits of using Amazon display ads? 5. How to measure the success of your Amazon advertising efforts. 1. How to set up your first Amazon advertising campaign. Setting up your first Amazon advertising campaign is easier than you think. Start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Advertising tab and choose Campaign Manager. Here, you can select the type of campaign you want to create, such as sponsored products, sponsored brands, or sponsored display. Statistic: over 70% of Amazon shoppers use the search bar to find products. Example: for instance, if you're selling organic coffee, you might start with a sponsored products campaign, targeting keywords like organic coffee beans. My suggestion: begin with a small budget to test the waters and adjust based on performance. 2. What are the best strategies for Amazon-sponsored products? Amazon-sponsored products are ads that appear in search results and on product detail pages. To maximize their effectiveness, focus on keyword research and bid management. Use both automatic and manual targeting to find the best keywords for your product. Statistic: sponsored products can increase your sales by up to 20% within the first month. Example: if you're selling fitness equipment, target keywords like home gym equipment and fitness gear. My suggestion: regularly review your search term report to identify high-performing keywords. 3. How to optimize your Amazon-sponsored brands campaign. Sponsored brands campaigns allow you to feature your brand logo, a custom headline, and multiple products. To optimize these campaigns, create compelling headlines and use high-quality images. Target broad keywords to increase visibility and brand awareness. Statistics: sponsored brands can increase brand awareness by up to 30%. Example: for a clothing brand, use a headline like "stylish and comfortable clothing for every occasion." My suggestion: test different headlines and images, see what resonates best with your audience. 4. What are the benefits of using Amazon display ads? Amazon display ads help you reach a broader audience by displaying your ads on Amazon and third-party websites. These ads are great for retargeting customers who have shown interest in your products. They can also help you reach new customers who are likely to be interested in your product. Statistic: display ads can increase your click-through rate by up to 15%. Example: if you're selling eco-friendly products, use display ads to target environmentally conscious shoppers. My suggestion: use retargeting, remind customers of products they've viewed but not purchased. 5. How to measure the success of your Amazon advertising efforts. Measuring the success of your Amazon advertising efforts involves tracking key metrics like advertising cost of sales, return on ad spend, ROS, and click-through rate, CTR. Use Amazon's reporting tools to analyze these metrics and make data-driven decisions. Statistic: advertising cost of sales below 30% is generally considered successful for most products. Example: if you're selling electronics, aim for an ACoS of around 20% to ensure profitability. My suggestion: regularly review your performance metrics and adjust your campaigns accordingly. In the last video, we discussed how brands can engage young people. Here's the video. Also, these 2 blogs keep you updated so you can outsmart competitors. They are linked in description.